Alright, I've never done a video before, but we'll try this. So we are looking at a 1.4 liter Ecotech out my 2012 Sonic. Got the turbo. The previous one, the oil lines got plugged and then the return tube melted. And of course the housing broke and everything else that's come with them. So we got this new turbo here. And they actually have a port on the backside here. It's got a plug in it. Well, I found out, I did some checking, blew some air into the holes here, your oil feed hole, and then that oil feed hole that's there. Of course, you got a couple cooling lines there, but I blew through it, trying to find out where it connected. Didn't have any luck, so we tried the oil passages. Didn't have any luck, but when I blew through our cooling ends, I was getting air out this. So tells me it's a coolant plug. So what I've done is went to the auto parts store and bought this adapter. Oh, here we go. Here's the adapter. So the threads are 12 by 150, and then the end is 1/8 inch national pipe. So you can put electronic temperature sensor in there, so we can monitor temperature of the turbo and the coolant. Let's see how well this works. It does thread in there quite easy. No issues. Also, it came with a crush sleeve, so that will go in between it. Right now, I'm gonna go do some work out in the shop, because if we look here, I'll set this on the table. If we look, it won't go through. So I'm gonna drill it out to just that size, so it still has, so it'll be a nice snug fit, and it won't reduce the stability of the threads or anything, because I'll already thread this sensor in there. So I'm gonna go out there, drill this out, and we'll see how well everything goes together. I'll be back in a bit.